In the last class, we discussed the first four paragraphs of this extract, and the first paragraph was all about the Plachimada, its location, and the reasons that made the company to set up their bottling plant at Plachimada. And the other paragraphs were all about the after effects. Now, let's move to the fifth paragraph. So, a British journalist called John Waite by chance collected the samples of water and mud from Plachimada, and the report showed high levels of toxic substances like cadmium, lead, and other cancer causing substances in the samples. And Kerala Pollution Control Board also found cadmium in the samples. And the Center for Science and Environment announced that they found high levels of pesticides in Coke and Pepsi. So these results actually made the people or the Adivasis think about their own existence, that they came to the realization that they may lose their lives and their land at any moment. So they organized a protest against the company. So the first who came to the forefront were the Adivasi women. So there was a historic march undertaken by the Adivasi women on April 22nd, 2002, and the movement was protected by the Adivasi Samrakshana Sangham, but they were severely punished. So now let's move to the next paragraph. Now the struggle is known as one of the most successful struggles against the predatory company called Coca-Cola. So this struggle now shares its spirit with the struggles in Colombia, Africa, and Latin America. And the writers say that this movement or the struggle was a non-violent struggle, and the people associate their struggle with that of Indian independence movement. That we could see pictures of Gandhi and Buddha in their protest pandals, and they even use slogans from freedom struggles like Coca-Cola, Quit India. They saw this movement as a struggle to retain dharma and truth in this world. And very soon, this movement got support from activists in the country and also outside the country. Activists like Medha Patkar, Vandana Shiva used Plachimada as a platform to organize their protest against Coca-Cola company, and they even organized or arranged the World Water Conference in January 2004 in Plachimada, and many activists participated in that conference, and they even used the term water privatization in order to describe the plunder by these companies. And they even drafted the Plachimada declaration at that conference, and which stated that water is not a private property, it does not belong to a particular group, and the right to conserve and preserve water is entirely vested with the local or the common people. So these were the things that were drafted in that conference. So that's all for today's class. In the next video, I'll discuss the other paragraphs.